Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Muhammad Dina Zikri. Metric ID is B0518200042 from BMFG student. My supervisor name is Dr. Zaidi bin Zamri. My title project is Parameter Prediction for Policing Process using Unsupervised Learning from GS3141 sheet method. Next slide is about subset of machine learning. Deep learning is a subset of a machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, which is AI. Artificial intelligence is ability of machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. For the machine learning is application of AI that allows a system to automatically learn and improve from experience. Deep learning is an application of machine learning that use complex algorithm and deep neural nets to train a model. Introduction. Unsupervised learning use deep learning to arrive at conclusions and patterns through unlabeled training data. There is a 4 problem statement. First, polishing process precision using normal polishing process. Second, polishing quality consistency. Third, machine learning method for MATLAB. Last is time consuming to predict parameter polishing process. The objective is to provide the selection for polishing process. Next, to predict polishing process parameters by using unsupervised learning. Last, to develop graphic user interface which is a GUI for the prediction system. For the project scope, first, machine learning using MATLAB for coding. Second is polishing quality will involve polishing parameters such as polishing time, polishing grid, grid size, and surface roughness. Next slide is literature review. According to Vijayan, polishing is a surface machining method used to create a high quality finished product surface. It is a multi-stage procedure in which each step employs a final abrasive. The polishing process is focused on parameter prediction on force, time, and grid size. According to Junwu, particles such as rotation speed, probability, cutting depth, and feed speed are the polishing parameters to be tuned. Polishing is usually done manually by qualified staff, but it's difficult to ensure that the manual polishing process. According to Namekawa, polishing is frequently performed manually by skilled employees, but it is difficult to ensure that manual polishing operation is applied to the workpiece, which consists force and the consistency and stability of the polishing quality is poor. Next is unsupervised learning system. There is a 2 type, which is a clustering and association. According to Sarah, the primary components required for cluster analysis. The Euclidean distance is a proximity metric used to analyze similarities between patterns and the classical one. A quality metric for assessing the analysis outcome and clustering algorithm. For clustering, they have the K-means clustering. According to Mirajka, K-means is clustering technique that is based on the similarity of sample. The K-means is common and easy clustering technique that was initially described in 1955. Next is advantage unsupervised learning. First is unlabeled and uncategorized data. Second, helpful for finding useful insight from the data. According to Imtiaz, the paper offers a true examination of methodology and approach for unsupervised machine learning that are used to develop complicated, highly nonlinear model with millions of parameters from massive amounts of unlabeled data. For software, MATLAB will be used to build the coding. Second is GUI. It is a stand for graphical user interface. It develop a graphic user interface using MATLAB. For parameter prediction for polishing process, the data will get in graph or table. Last is data processing. ANN, artificial neural network, or SOM, self-organizing map. ANN is a learn from data. It can be trained to recognize patterns. qualify data and feature event. According to Yaswan, a picture can be represented as a matrix, which is a member of the matrix having color information for a single pixel. The matrix is sent into the neural network as input data. According to Misra, the self-organizing map, which is stand for SOM, is a dimensionally reduction approach based on neural networks that is commonly used to represent a high-dimensional dataset as a two-dimensional discretization pattern. For the methodology part, there is two flowchart, which is overall flowchart for project, software system flowchart. For overall flowchart for project, start and then literature review. At literature review, it have a parameter prediction, unsupervised learning system, software and data processing. Next, determine specification, collect data. Next, go through coding development, simulation and testing. So for the result accepted, if fail, need to simulate the simulation and testing. If pass the parameter, so proceed and go to prediction of polishing parameter. And next to quality variation and end of the project. Next, for software system flowchart. First, start. Next, polishing parameter data. Next, processing data processing. Next, prediction polishing parameter. Next, data verification, and last end the program. In expected result, they have a 4 target. For this slide, it is challenging and crucial part of the study. First is analyze and management the data in MATLAB. MATLAB, which is decoding. Second, to develop a graphic user interface GUI using a MATLAB for parameter prediction for polishing process. That's all for my presentation. Thank you and stay safe. Assalamualaikum.